How to add Klarna to Apple Pay. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how to add Klarna to Apple Pay. So first thing, just open up your Klarna application and just make sure you are logged into your account and just head over to your wallet section from the bottom right corner of your navigation bar. And once you do all of that, just tap on this add button at the top of your screen and you can actually click on add a card, where you can easily fill out all of the information for your digital card. So just choose your digital card from there by clicking in the first option in store, and just choose your store and just enter all of the details that is on screen instructions. So once you follow on screen instruction, you'll basically get an direct option to actually link your Apple Wallet account, and simply tap on this button to successfully add Klarna to Apple Pay. And next time you use the Klarna to Apple Pay, you can easily use the Apple Pay actually to use the Klarna as well. So I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.